Good morning, students. Hope all of you are well, right? Okay, so welcome to the IT class. Today, last day I had told you about the sorting, filtering the data in Excel, then how will you create the chart, formatting chart. So these things we have discussed earlier. I hope all of you have understood, and if you have any problem, then without hesitation you can ask in comment box in WhatsApp app. Okay, so today we will discuss about the some new features. Out of that, first is after filtering the data, how will you filter and sorting, that we have discussed. So today we will see how will you handle data access across the worksheets. Okay, and then we will see how to link the multiple workbooks. Suppose 2 or 3 workbooks, and how will you link that. So that we will discuss today. So first we will see how to handle data across worksheets, right? So previously we have done that Excel sheet that we will open first. This one we have done. Okay, so here we have sorting and filtering also done. So how will you handle the data through the across the worksheets, that we will see here. Means suppose one workbook contains more than one worksheet. By default there are 3 worksheets. You can see here sheet 1, 2, 3. This one I have added, but by default there are 3 sheets. I think all of you know 3 worksheets by default are there. So this one is sheet 1, that is for January I have done. So I have renamed this worksheet. You can see here January, February, March. So these are the different worksheets I have renamed. So sheet 1, how will you rename that? Just right click on the sheet 1, right click on the sheet 1, then rename option, then it will come like this. Then you can change the name. Suppose you want to give the name January, then how will you do? Just write there January, like this. Okay, so similarly here also you can change, right click and then rename, and then February, March. So suppose for 12 months you have, then you have to click over here this plus sign, okay, this icon, then you can get more worksheets. Okay, from here you can get more worksheets. Like here I have done 4 worksheets, but you can, if you want to add 12 worksheets for 12 months, then you can add from here. Okay, so this is for inserting worksheet, or the shortcut key is shift plus F11. Okay, so first for the month of January, this one we have done for the month of January. Okay, so this one is table where roll number, name, English, math, science marks, IT marks, and then total of that. Total, I think all of you know, equal to sum, and then select this subjects. Okay, and then close the bracket. Press the enter key, automatically it will come. So now how will you across the worksheet, how will you do the work? For that, sheet 1, that is for January, suppose one student, this Amit or Amrita, these students have got in the month of January in English 67, 98, 89, 98, 90, 99. So these are the different marks of these students in English in the month of January. Whereas in month of February, the same students will have got, see here, February I have done here, that is for January. These marks are for January. Okay, you can see, I think these marks are for January. Second, I am doing sheet 2, that is February, I have renamed here. So clicking on that, so these are the marks for the month of February, same students. Okay, then for the month of March, So these marks in month of March the students have got. Now we suppose we want to add these marks, like Amit in January, February, March. In English, how much marks he has got in January, February, March total. So for that, fourth sheet I have created as a total, this one. Okay, so here we will click, and just I have typed the name, roll number and name. I have pasted from that January and February. From any one worksheet you can this paste, copy and paste. Now total, how will you do? Just like carefully and just see carefully. So click here, and then just you have to write equal to sign, give here equal to, then sum, give the bracket, and go to the month of January. Okay, and then you select this total. Okay, and then again you have to give the comma here. Go to the next month, that is for February. Here you can select I think we have done wrong one thing, just wait. You go to again total, equal to sum January, this one just delete that. Go to the month of January, and then you select this English. Okay, then give the comma. February, select the 67 English, then again comma. You can see here this type of selection has been done. Okay, so give the comma now, and then go to the month of March, again select English. Okay, and then shift and bracket. You go to the total, you can see here the marks. Yes, 189. So Amit has got total 189 in English. And if you want to do the all subjects total, then what you will do, delete that. So then you have to go to, first you write down here equal to sum, give the first bracket, and go for the month of January. Okay, for the month of January, and select this total you have to do. Okay, because now I am doing Amit, how much he has got in January, February and March in all subjects total. Okay, so select this total, then give the comma. Okay, go to the February month of February, select the February, select the total, again give the comma. Go to the month of March, again select the first this total column, and then give the bracket. Now you go to the total, you can see the total marks. Yes, this is the he has, this student Amit has got total marks 991 in January, February, March, all subjects. Okay, now you can do here Amrita and Anita. So just you can do copy and paste. Just I am doing here copy. Okay, so you can see here Amrita, he has got how much marks in January, February, March. This one Anita, Niharika, Soma and Suhana. These students have got in the month of total January, February, March, total subject marks is there, this. Okay, so in this way we can do handling data across the worksheets. Now we will see how to use the multiple workbooks and linking cells. Okay, so here you have done multiple worksheets. Now we will do multiple workbooks. Is it clear? Multiple worksheets. Now we will use multiple workbooks. How we will use, we will link cells in multiple workbooks, that we will see. So for that, this workbook should open. You have to open a new workbook. So for that you have to create first a new workbook. So go to this office button and then click on new blank workbook. Okay, so save it by any name. So suppose here you can do total marks linked. Okay, I have given this name, total marks linked. Now save it. Done. Now you write here total. Just I am writing here total. Okay, total marks in suppose January. Okay, so you can drag this. Okay, now you select here B1. Now you have to write equal to sum, give the first bracket, then you have to open the first workbook. So for that was this one. So just click this total. Okay, understood? Now for the month of January, this I have selected this one. For month of January we have selected, and then just close the bracket and press the enter key. Then give the first bracket. So equal to sum, then first bracket, then you go to the previous workbook. Okay, so I have done this Excel class 10 Excel practical. So here January month you go. So here you can see total. So select that. Okay, this total is this for this. Okay, so after doing that, just give the first bracket again and press the enter key. So this one is second linked Excel workbook. Okay, so this is total marks linked. Automatically this you can see here 276, that is linked. Okay, so similarly, suppose you want to do total marks in February, that also you can do. Suppose that is for February. How will you do? Come here, then give the equal to sign, then sum, first bracket, go to the month of February. First you have to open that workbook. Okay, and then you select the month of February. Right, now you select the total. After that, close the bracket and press the enter key. So automatically it has come here, and this one is total marks linked. See, this workbook is total marks linked. Okay, so in this way you can Now if you update anything on that last workbook, like here this one is see 276 and 361. Okay, now you come to the previous workbook, this one is class 10. So if you want to change over here for the month of January, suppose you have changed anything, suppose you have modified this marks, IT marks, suppose this one, this student has got 98, by mistake you have written 67. Okay, so automatically you can see here 307. So this 307, now if you will go to the next workbook, that is we have done total marks linked, here you can see automatically updated. So if any student's mark is changed in the first workbook, then updated that, then it will affect here also. So this is linking multiple workbooks, you can link in this way. Okay, so I think all of you clear. If you have any problem, you try to do yourself in as a practical in your computer. So if you have any problem, you will get any problem, then you ask me in comment box. I will clear that in next class. Okay, so all of you see that, and yes, all of you give your attendance in WASU app, that is must. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.